So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, and to the S, Naya Special. So in today's video is a message to Lily Pope. Yes, direct message to Lily Pope. Lily Pope, you need to watch this video, you need to hear this message. Okay, yes. But before I continue, disclaimer please, we don't shed people here. We don't talk negative about people here, okay? This channel is all about vibes, positive vibe, and this channel is a little bit about anything that will bring positive impact to us. So feel free to relax and watch, all right? So the message I have for Lily Pope is about her daughter, Kamsi. Yes. After she put out a video about Kamsi, her daughter, the behavior of not wanting to eat or not feeling hungry, or someone that don't like to eat, a child that doesn't like to eat, she complained bitterly. Like, looking at her, you will know that it really pains her, like she's concerned about this her daughter, right? Now this is a message to other mothers that has ever encountered such thing, or one or two of her children are going through this kind of situation, or she found herself in this kind of situation. This is a message for you as well, right? So just chill, okay? Now, why did I say this? Something I want you to understand, Lily Pope, is that every child comes with his or her own uniqueness. Yes, every child is a winner in his or her own way. Every child is unique in his or her own way, right? Now, another thing that prompted me to make this video is that after she dropped her assumption video. Now, I watched that video from beginning to the end. As in, like, a lot of people assume because she came out to complain about her daughter that she don't love her daughter, or she no longer love her daughter because of that behavior, or she didn't love her daughter. Now I'm here to tell you, kids come with their own uniqueness. Yes, every child must not be the same. Yes, every child must never be the same. There must differences in children, the way we have differences in pregnancy. Now what I'm saying is that I know you're a concerned mom, like it's giving you concern, because it's the joy of every mother to see that her child is eating very well, eating to be healthy, because you know that when you don't eat healthy, you don't eat very well, you are prone to diseases. I understand, it's a concern, but I'll tell you a story. One of my sister's daughter, she used to be like Kamsi. She's so picky. This one started when she was still a baby, when she was still an infant. I can count many times that my sister will, mix raw egg, this native egg. That's like, I learned a lot from her. This native egg, she will mix it with pap. That's Yoruba call it ogi, akam in Igbo. This raw pap, she will mix it with raw native egg, not ordinary egg. She will go inside African market, get a native egg, and mix it with that pap, with that akam. Yes, mix it before putting hot water to thicken it, right? Now after making this thing, the child can only take 2 or 3 spoons, and that's all. As she grows, they no longer give her ogi. Like, they gave her a lot of varieties of food. She will still be picky. She will still not like to eat the food. This thing continues till the child gets to 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So personally, what I'm saying is that kids come with their own uniqueness. And because of this child, I've known a lot of milks out there, because she always go for foreign milk. Means that, things she can get those nutrients that she's lacking from eating other African food, right? There's one called Compline. There's another one, I can't remember that one again. So all these milks are like things she supplement to her food. And sometimes she can even make that milk, add it honey, and give to the child to drink, just to make sure that she gets enough nutrient. So the message here is that, my sister, you just gave birth to our beautiful twins, right? To avoid being worked up because of that, do you get? One of the measures my sister applied is that she started giving her child multivitamins, things that will make that child to go hungry. But let me shock you that did not work very well for her. Do you get? Because sometimes the child will go hungry, and sometimes the child will not go hungry. And the worst thing about her own is that even when the child is hungry, she still will not eat. she still refuses to eat. She will still refuse food when you bring food. So your own daughter is even better, because when she feels hungry, she will eat very well. So I'm telling you this is that there are other measures you can apply, like giving that child multivitamins, things that will make her to go hungry, because in your own case, you're even lucky that when she goes hungry, she can request for food and eat food very well, right? Now, again, always call her to you, be angry. I understand you're a mother. Every mother wants the best for her child, but always call her. Make her understand that you love her. Make her come closer to you. Do you get? You can bring her closer whenever you are eating. There's some kids that like to eat with others. It's not every child that likes to eat alone. So why I'm even saying this is that you should check if she likes to eat with others. Maybe that's her senior sister you brought to stay with her. That's her cousin. You can start putting food together for them. There are some kids that are like that. They like the company of others. Again, there are some ones that like it when you are feeding them. It's not as if they don't know how to eat, but they like it when they are being pampered. There are some kids that like it like that. So why I'm even saying all these things is that you should check if she, fall into any of this I just said. Again, I want to just add this one. Just know that not everybody likes solid food. Not everybody likes solid food. There are some kids that likes liquid food. Yes. So just find out what she likes, okay? What she likes eating. I know that is going to be additional, work for you to prepare for her and prepare for the family. There are some families that it has been like that. Now, if the child is the one that likes liquid food, let's say that child is the type that likes tea, drinking tea, you can tell her, oh yeah, if you eat this rice, I'll give you tea. Or after eating this rice, I'll make tea for you. It's just a way of motivating the child to, eat more, right? Again, after all these things, you have done them and it didn't work for you. Just know that most important thing is that you make sure you always pack nutrients in whatever she's eating, so that even if she eats little portion, she has gotten all the nutrients she wants, for that her body to function very well. Do you get? I understand your concern, because when a child don't feed very well, she's prone to diseases. Immune is not that strong to resist diseases, right? To resist sickness. So what I'm even telling you this is to encourage you. Okay, this is love of a mother. Bring her closer. Always tell her, come see this thing you're doing, I don't like it. Okay, oh yeah, come, let me feed you. You can even use it as play like play. Okay, every child must not eat in a way others eat. Just try to understand them. All right, I know it will be so stressful, coupled with you have other kids to look after now that you have twins. I know it will be stressful, but that's joy of having kids, right? That is one of the joy of having kids. All of them are advantage. In Igbo language, we call it ulu ulu. All of them come with what? Uru uru. So those are the advantages of having kids. Okay, just take it slowly. I know it will be stressful. It can be stressful. You want her to eat what others are eating, but I'm telling you, even if you force it till now, till next year, she might still not eat what others are eating. And I've seen where it happened. Highest thing, she will eat and vomit. Like, I make sure that the little portion she will eat, anything she's eating, you make sure that it has all the nutrients, right? This, my sister's child, do you know that while cooking beans, we will add egg, raw egg, and cook beans. When the beans is about to be done, we add raw egg and cook beans, or even rice and beans. She don't eat meat. She don't eat egg when she sees the egg, like when you fry egg, for you to understand. Even that cousin's son, and when she eat that little, she will eat. At least it's saver. But let me shock you, that her child has grown. I think that she's up to 14, 15. But do you know now, she's eating. Let me shock you. She's eating very well. So just know that this is a phase, and this phase is going to pass as well. So let me know your opinion down in the comment section. If you have any other tricks or any other, advice to give to Lily Pope, leave it down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I still remain your girl. And to the S, the special. Remember to like, comment, share for others to watch, share for others to learn, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.